welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing out a new product from W7. Do you know, I've never actually tried any products from this company before. I know my friend Finn, she absolutely raves about them. She thinks they're the best thing ever apart from Revolution. But anyway, so I saw this, and what it is, I've been looking on, I think it's called Silly George. And I've been looking on there, and what they do is like an eyeliner glue that for your lashes. And I've looked at it before, but it's quite expensive. I think, you know, to get the glue on its own is like nearly 30 quid. So I've always been a bit dubious. But basically, W7 have brought out their own version of it. So this is an eyeliner, but it also works as a glue for your lashes. So if, like myself, you struggle with putting your lashes on, then I think this could possibly be an option. I mean, it might go terribly wrong, but it's worth a try. And this was £4.99, so it's a hell of a lot cheaper. And it was really quick delivery, and it was free delivery, but really quick. I think it came the next day. So yeah, so I figured we'd give this a whirl and see if it works. Right, so it says directions: draw along the lash line, add a flick at the end for extra drama. I don't think I'm going to do a flick today. Apply strip lash of your choice. To remove, gently pull off the falsies and wipe away with makeup remover. So basically like an eyeliner. God knows how this works, because surely I'm thinking that, you know, if you let it dry a little bit and it works as a glue, surely it's going to stay sticky, is it not? Yeah, but then eyelash glue doesn't stay sticky, does it? It does dry eventually. Oh, God knows. Let's give it a whirl. So it looks like this. So it's like a standard eyeliner pen. So like that. So I am just, wrong end. I am just going to draw along my lash line. I'm not going to do a flick or anything. I just don't fancy it, to be honest. I'm not feeling it. I'm not the best at eyeliner, I'm not going to lie. So yeah, don't judge, but I'm just going to do this.
You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on my door on the second floor. I feel okay.
It's actually quite a nice eyeliner to use. Right, okay, so eyeliner done. So I'm going to pop these lashes on. These are from Prima Lash. Okay, so I'm assuming, and it doesn't really say how long you have to let it dry for or anything, so I'm just going to try and put them on now. Oh my God, that is so sticky. Frightened the life out of me. That is so good. The lashes are a bit longer than I'd normally go for, but they're all right. They're nice lashes, just quite dramatic. That is like proper. Can you see that? Oh my God. And that's so easy. Normally I faff around with them for 8. I better do this one before it dries. I can't get over that. Got overexcited. I can't, honestly cannot get over how easy that was. Wow. Well, that's definitely going to be my new best friend. No more eyelash glue for me. I think it's because it was totally unexpected. I thought it was going to like be a bit meh. I was going to faff around for blooming ages trying to get them done, and it was so quick. Well, there you go. Easy eyelashes in what, 30 seconds? per eye, of course. Blooming brilliant. Definitely recommend that. That's amazing. £5. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, obviously please give me a thumbs up, and I would really appreciate it. It would mean the world to me if you enjoyed watching this and you want to see more content of me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.
But it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do?